I'm Zoe Bentley, and this is Exogeology ROCKS! On this episode of Exogeology ROCKS, I'm going to answer a few viewer questions. How are planets made? That's a tough one. Planets actually take a very long time to form, so we've never actually gotten to watch the whole process. But here's how scientists believe it works. When a giant star reaches the end of its life, it eventually explodes. This is called a supernova. The pieces of star are blown apart into a cloud of dust called a nebula. Then, over time, the pieces start to come back together. Just as gravity pulls you to the Earth, it also pulls these dust particles toward each other. But since these particles are much smaller, the force is much less, and it takes a lot longer. Eventually, bigger and bigger masses form. The largest of these will get so massive that it will cause a fusion reaction. That is, it will ignite a new star. The remaining dust forms a spinning disk around the star, and the particles in this disk will attract each other and form bigger and bigger masses until they eventually become planet-sized. Next question. Are there gemstones and crystals on other planets? Scientists think so. While we haven't brought back rubies or emeralds from Mars, scientists believe that all of the geological and chemical processes for gems and crystals here on Earth take place on other planets too. There's one planet in particular called 55 Cancri E, which was discovered in 2004. Scientists have determined that about a third of it is made of carbon, which, due to temperature and pressure, would be in the form of diamond. Imagine a world that is 1/3 diamond. And last, where is the closest black hole to Earth? Astronomers believe that there is a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. That's about 26,000 light years away. For a long time, this was believed to be the closest black hole. More recently, though, astronomers have found several other objects which might be black holes, such as 518 Persei in the constellation Perseus at around 6,500 light-years away, and V616 Monocerotis at a distance of 2,700 light-years away. Even closer to home, though, scientists working at the Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland may have created something called micro-black holes. These are still theoretical. If they exist, they would be extremely tiny and evaporate almost immediately. I hope you've enjoyed these questions and answers. Thanks to Samantha in New Jersey for sending them in. Thanks for watching, and remember, Exogeology rocks!